Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's the second week of July and I am about to cash stuff my savings challenges for this week. I am going to stuff £140. I usually stuff that each week once all the bills are paid and everything has been taken care of. Whatever I have left over, I put it into savings challenges. Right, so let me count this money. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 20, 30, 40. So that's £140 there. And first of all, let's see what we'll start with in this green binder. Should be the small roller dice because the big one's finished. I finished that last week. So let's do 2 reds. That's 4 and 1. Oh, forgot to get out the colours. 4 and 1. That's 5. 4 and 1. Let's just put the calculator on and do 5. 6 and 4 is 10. Add 10. 6 and 4. I have got a 4. And another 4, which is 8, and 2 is 10. Right, and then we've got 10 again, so we've got 2 5s, add 10, so that's 25 today. I'll just do 2 5s because it's coming to an end now. 25. So let's see if I've got some change. Should have some change here. Let's see what change we've got here. Do the wafty wafty. Let's get some change. Okay, so that's 25. We'll put it in there today. Great. It's coming to an end. It's we've got 5, 10, 15, 17 left on the board. So that'll be a few more rolls and we'll be finished with that. And that is that. Let's see what we've got here now. So we've got bag of book, and each book is £2, so it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 pounds there. Let's just that's £12, so let's just round it up as 15, and that's finished. All done. All done. Round it up as 15. That's right. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yeah. 15. That's finished, completed. And let's do the £120 puzzle piece. Let's do 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Let's do 18. Let's do 18. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. And round that up to 20. pounds. Round it up to 20. Great. That's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. That's great. And the rainy day fund, I really want to make a start on this. This one's a big one. We've got, highest is £50 here. We've got, I've done all the 5s. I can do the 10s. So let me do 2 10s here. So that's 20 for the rainy day. 2 10s. There's one here and one here. Great. And save 24 in 20, save 2024 in 2024. Let's have a look what we've got here. We've got 60 and 40, that's 100. £124 we've got here. Let's see what we've got. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Let's get that £60 in and call it a day. So that's 40 and 20. So that is that. It's all been rounded up and it's nearly coming to an end. These, I think by the next round of savings challenges, I think they'll be all finished. I'm going to try and finish this one next week, and I want to try and finish this one next week. So I'll calculate them up and see how much I have got to put in and try and get that done, because I want to get some new savings challenges. All done for another week. If you did like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.